Hey guys, welcome to Cadmatix. In today's video we will create a map in AutoCAD. First select your area from Google Earth. After that take a screenshot. Now import that file in CAD. Make some essential layers and start digitizing or tracing the outer boundary. Essential elements of a map include title, north arrow, map area, legend, scale, boundary, locator map, citation, date. Along the process also write or names of essential areas and roads. For the north arrow I have already downloaded some block files from the CAD blocks. I will copy it from that file. To copy an object from another CAD file, select and press Ctrl+C, and then to paste press Ctrl+V. Most of the time the blocks are not scaled to correct dimension. So I will use the scale command, which is SC plus enter, and scale it to right dimension. To make an object smaller, bring the mouse arrow inwards. To make it larger, bring it outward. Time to draw the legend. You can create the table by yourself or add from the insert option. Time to make the locator map. I have taken this image of Earth and Pakistan district distribution from Google. Time to digitize. I am using the polyline command to trace. Command for this is P-line. Time to hatch. To make it attractive, I am using the gradient hatch pattern. Time to draw the major roads. This is the final result after digitizing the major road networks. Make sure to add the historical or important places that exist in your study area and also mention the nearby places or localities around your area. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.